In last of the classes, I have given you some information about how the number is converted from decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal, and also conversion from these number system to the Debye number system we have done. In today's class, I also give you a table which directly give you how you have to convert the number from octal to binary or hexadecimal to binary. We know that the octal number है have a base of 8 and binary number have a base 2. Binary number. Now we want to convert the octal number directly to the binary. So you have to convert the base of octal number in binary number. So this is 2 to the power 3 and this one is 2. So to represent a octal number in binary, we have 3 digits, because the way we convert the base of octal to base of binary, it is 2 to the power 3 and binary base is 2 to the power 1. So here we require the 3 binary number to represent one octal number. So now I will give you a table which will provide you directly the number equivalent to binary number in octal. So here we write the octal number. Here we write the binary number. We know that octal have a digits from 0 to 7. And we have to convert these octal number into binary number. So 0 in octal, in binary we convert them. So this is 0 0 0. 1 0 0 1, 2 0 0 1 0, 3 2 0 1 0, 3 0 1 1, 4 1 0 0, 5 1 0 1, 6 1 1 0 and 7 1 1 1. So this is the table. And it gives you direct equivalent for octal to binary. We take a number 3 6 7 in base 8 and we have to convert it in binary. So we have a two way to convert it. First of all, you have to convert this octal number into decimal number and then convert this decimal number into the octal number. Otherwise, you have to write this code directly in place of octal number. If you go in place of 7, we write the value 1 1 1 1 1 1. In 6, we have to write 1 1 0. In 3, we have to write 0 1. So this is directly equivalent to the octal number. This octal number is represented by this number in binary. I think. So, and converting is very easy. If you have to write this table, you have to remember it, and in some of the practice, you have to get the number equivalent to binary number. Then we have directly convert the octal number to binary. Let's take 2 or 3 questions more. Right here 3 4 2 base 8, we have to convert it in binary. So then write the value equivalent 2 0 1 0, 4 1 0 0, 3 0 1. So you have directly converted the number octal to binary. We take a number 7 763 in octal and we want to convert it in binary, only go to the table, write the equivalence value from octal to binary, write it, and this conversion is done. So in place of 7, 111, in place of 6, 110, in place of 3, 0, 1, 1. So this is 1 bit. So we also have done the conversion from hexadecimal to binary. So I want to first of all discuss the table of hexadecimal to binary table. And we know that hexa have a base 16, so 2's power 4, and binary have a base 2's, so 4 digits, 4 binary digits is required to represent say one hexadecimal symbol. Just like here octal have a base 8, binary have a base 2, so here 2's power 3 equal to 2, so 3 binary digits is required to convert a number in octal. Like here 4 digits is required, binary is required to represent a number in hexa form. So write here the table, here hexadecimal number, hexadecimal, and this one is binary. Right now, write the number hexadecimal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means A, 11 means B, 12 means C, 13 means D, and 14 means E, and 15 means F. And now we convert this number into binary. In binary, 0 is represented by 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 5, 0, 1, 0, 1, 6, 0, 1, 1, 0, 7, 0, 1, 1, 8, 1, 0, 0, 9, 1, 0, 0, 1, 10, 1, 0, 1, 0, 11, 1, 0, 1, 1, 12, 1, 1, 0, 0, 13, 1, 1, 0, 1, 14, 1, 1, 1, 0, 15, 1, 1, 1. So this is the table, and this table represents the number from hexadecimal to binary. We done some examples. So how you have to convert the number from hexa to binary directly. So take a number in hexa like 2AF, and we want to convert this hexa number into binary. We have a two way. First of all, if you want to convert this number from hexa to decimal and decimal to binary, this is the one way. And second way, you have to put the value of hexadecimal value from this table. So the number like 2, you have to write the 0, 0, 1, 0. In place of A, you have to put the value A, 1, 0, 1, 0, and F, 1, 1, 1, 1. Done. So this is the direct conversion of hexadecimal to binary. We take the second example, A to C, F. If we want to convert this number into binary, only put the value from the table.